man, that guy just hit that other guy. Oh no. He's trying to leave. I-632LM. You should probably go back. You should probably turn around and go back. It's all on camera. You should go back. You should go back. It's all on camera. I-632LM. White Saturn. Have his face. Alright, well. Yeah, so I saw that.
You get it on your helmet?
Yeah.
You got his tag?
Oh yeah. I got his face.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
You're the man. White something or other. I didn't really see it.
It was I think it was I don't know. I don't want to say. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it was heading on Parr Street.
Yeah, I told the guy to turn around. I was like, "You should turn around, dude." He just kept going, "Oh," and I'll clip that out and send it over to you, so you got it. Yeah, no problem. Take it easy, guys. Glad you're safe. So, just before I left, I checked the footage and made sure to catch that guy's license plate and give them the information of what exact car it was and what the plates were. And then when I get home, I'm gonna send him a clip of everything I caught going on. I chased that guy down to get his plates and tell him he should turn around, and he wouldn't turn around, so I wasn't gonna chase him and keep bugging him. I don't know. People are crazy, you know. I don't want him to like be like, okay, pull over, and then like jump me or shoot me or something crazy, you know. But that's a hit and run for you. That guy was probably staring at his cell phone and just smashed into that car because that car was sitting there stopped for so long. You'll see. It's crazy.